So today we're gonna make it. We're gonna be showing five. So first, I'm gonna use this one. So this is called. Guys, isn't it beautiful? This
Sky blue slime. This is black slime.
it's butter black slime. God, I made it butter black. Say, and here it is. It stretches very good. It kind of breaks, but it's really stretchy. I did it with Crayola glue. Washable Crayola glue really works. And this is what it did. Final product. And I added eyeballs and sequins. And here's the crunch.
Butter. It's very stretchy.
And I'm going to be showing you a sky blue activator. At sky blue, it has activator because that's all we can find. It has activator at the bottom. But it's all. And this is crunchy slime. Guys, if you hear noises on the background, it's just because my grandma is cooking. Then we have the activators coming down. And that's a lot of slime. You want to see it? Guys, that part was a slime now. We are not partners. And here, sky blue beauty. Sky blue. This is sky blue crunch. So
We have So we have this
and I have a butter sky
purple
blue.
and blue slime.
This purple is blue foam beads and purple beads. And this is thingy or my slime. This is a blue butter slime. Guys. And here is a crunchy slime. It's a butter crunchy slime. And I have it
So this one has blue and purple beads. It has red glitter. It's sticky.
I make over it. It was brown and I make over it.
It's very
Look,
stretchy.
here's a fart, guys. How does this do?
It has these gold.
Guys, I'm going to show you a red slime, an ugly red slime. Okay. Okay, bueno, pues voy a mirar.
Okay, let's
¿Dónde tiene cloro?
We have to share it, okay? First thing out, be like, what? Huh? Okay, okay, so, okay, right here we have, okay, right here we have
Red crystal.
red clister. Clister? Share. It's
Okay.
not
Guys,
stretchy.
This was clear and she added too much red. I wanted a clear red and she added too much. Look how much.
But it is pretty, right?
Yeah, it is pretty.
It looks orange in the camera. A bit orange.
Yeah.
But this is actually red.
And this is a bracelet, you know why? Because that's a bracelet for bad people. You can't do it. Oh my god! And Alicia, show me my movie. Movie!
Alright, now we need a switch.
Okay. Here. So now we're going to show you.
Let's talk about it. Well, what is this? No.
That's slime!
Show me the camera. Okay, so what is the technique container?
No, we're going to show them. Oh no. Guys, hi
It's stuck to the top. Alright, so right here.
guys. Share!
It's stretchy.
This is Alicia's slime. She made it for me. And this is like a very good stretchy slime. Tell them how you made it. I had. Okay, you think you know what you had.
Okay, so I got glue, mixed it in with a bit of activator, and got some blue food coloring, and mixed it in with some shaving cream.
And then I shot glitter that it looked like glitter.
Okay, let's switch. Come on, we need to switch. Okay, let me pick one this time. Let's pick.
You'll hear that background.
So right here we have.
Swoosh.
Let me show it. Okay, right here, purple slime. Pink. With
Pink.
white, light blue, and purple and dark blue.
Hear the crunch.
beads. Yeah, you gotta hear it. Okay, watch this. Watch this.
I bet we're gonna go on that big ass truck.
It's really stretchy.
Yeah, okay, let's stretch it. Let's put it together and stretch it. Ready, go. Okay, that one was a fail. That one was a fail. Let's just.
Okay, we have to stretch everything else. But the ones we didn't stretch wasn't even.
Let's pick this one. I feel. Look, this one. Wait, move. This one. The second one.
Okay, we each get a slime.
No, we gotta share one. Okay. Oh, whoa. Is this the diaper one?
Yeah, I guess it's that one.
Yeah.
Put it out of the way, Mama. Put it out of the way. Okay, this is okay. Okay, this is called cotton candy mint
Oh, this
chocolate.
one's a good slime.
Mint chocolate chip. It's called. Here it is.
Right here it has
Okay, stretchy slime.
pink, white beads and blue
teal.
glitter,
It's blue glitter.
and it's teal. This is a very good slime. It's very stretchy, very smooth.
No, it's not. Look at
It
this.
is. It's smooth. Don't mind stretchy.
My friends. Oh, maybe I have to do it soft. Let's see. Soft. Okay. It's not breaking because you're doing it soft. You're breaking it.
Okay, next
That will break.
next slime.
Next one is a
Can you pick this one?
I'll pick the. I'm gonna close my eyes.
Okay. No. I'll keep that. Go. No, we already got that one. Another one. Okay, so we have this. We have a purple container, and as you can see, there's blue slime in it.
Okay, let's open it and see.
Whoa!
I mix another
So
color.
we're not gonna show this one because this one's actually the color's cute, but the
No, I mixed a pink slime with it.
okay, it's not stretchy. It's hard to stretch. Yeah, it's not stretchy.
Because I added glue. And this
Next
is,
slime, okay.
it's really beautiful.
Let's do
The bottom.
this one.
Really glittery. It's really glittery.
Let me show it this time, so they can see the container.
Ow!
Yo,
I just hit my butt.
conseguí de aquí, no quiero.
Purple slime, and then when you open it, it's purple beads. Don't worry about that pink beads. Oh, this one they have to hear the crunch. Okay, let's stretch it.
Ow!
Let's stretch it.
Again, with the repeat.
Okay, this one's not stretchy, so let's move on. Pick up blue. I'll show you. Let me show you. You have to go like this if you want to show it. Like that.
Okay, now open it. Here, guys. Yeah, you're closing too hard, bro.
Yeah, your hands are good.
Yeah, but I added shade.
This is very good slime.
But it's like drippy.
Okay, just leave that.
¿Ya abrió la familia? ¿Ya abrió la fama todavía? Ven, ya habla bien viejo. Que si frío la fama o no es frío.
Green beads right here.
Claro.
I don't know how to get in here. And I lotion right now. stretchy.
Alright, let's go put it back in the
Store.
container. Now
Look, it's a pink
we
bean.
have this snow slime.
No, don't tell them what the slime is.
Oh, this is the cloud slime.
So, tell them it's a cloud slime.
Alright, there we go. So let's take it. It's a bit hard, but it's look, watch this.
It makes the perfect. Look, let's even do some drizzle on the table.
Okay, so you see this? No, and our next video we're making
Cloud
in
slime.
our next video we're gonna be making fake snow.
Big snow slime. That means
No, just fake snow. Not fake snow. Slime.
yes, we're gonna be making fake snow in our next video.
You guys, if you guys don't know how to do fake snow, watch it in our next video.
Guys, we are not gonna buy this fake snow. Fake snow. I'm doing this because it's fake snow.
Alright,
Fake
so we're gonna
snow.
end the video here.
Bye guys. So if you wanna watch our next video, we're gonna show
Make sure to subscribe
Guys.
and hit that notification bell.
guys. If you wanna see more slime,
Wait, did you guys know that if you like the video, it turns blue?
guys, if you wanna see the other slimes, you have to watch the next video.
Watch this, guys. Hold up.
Look at my hands is a little bit.
Alright, look, watch this.